Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pucha, ako pala to. Naalala ko malapit nga pala yung birthday ko. Thank you guys. Sabi ko ba kanina, sino kaya may birthday? Maraming salamat. Okay.
Actually, Michael, kanina nagpa-promo kami. Parang trivia about you. May nakasagot ng birthday, exact birthday mo. And this is a Shy.
Hello. Hello, pangalan? Shy. Paano mo nalaman yung birthday ko? And then?
My brother's 2 months older than you.
Wow, thank you. So, anong nakuha niya? Wala?
To greet you personally.
Yun lang? Okay, you wanna sing with me? What song? Closer you and I. Closer. That's all right? Oh, he loved it first. Wow, I love this song. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. Just part of a dream. Nothing more, so it's certain. Where's your brother? Go. Video ko Go. Picture of your smile. You're every time I close my eyes. You come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Parang hindi maganda pag dalawa kami nakaganito. Just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile, a twinkle in your eyes. Ano ka ba? Just a little more time, we'll be together. Yan! Maraming salamat, Shy. Thank you so much, Shy. And maraming salamat kasi alam yung birthday ko. How about you? What's your birthday? When? August 21st. Belated. 31st. Belated happy birthday to you. And what's your wish for me? What's your wish? What? Make more album. How about you give me money and then I'll make more album? Thank you so much, Shy. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Ako pala may birthday. Hayop na yan. Sabi ko kanina, sino may birthday? Kaya pala di na inuulit. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa lahat na nandito, sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much, guys. Dahil alam natin medyo late na. Nandito pa rin kayo. Maraming salamat. I love you all. Mula po sa M-Music Live. Mula sa amin lahat na nandito ngayon. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.